your room, and the air was thick with gloom, since he said there's nothing else that can be done. Your condition may look bleak, and your faith is a little weak, but it's never too late for a miracle when you need one. It's never too late to fall down on your knees in earnest prayer. He promised when you seek His help, He'll always be right there. No matter how rough the road may seem and your struggle is never done, it's never too late for a miracle when you need one. Jesus showed up 3 days late at the graveside of a friend. The loved ones could not grasp the facts when He said it's not the end. And the voice of the resurrection said, roll away the stone of doubt, 'cause it's never too late for a miracle. So Lazarus, come on out. It's never too late to fall down on your knees in earnest prayer. He promised when you seek His help, He'll always be right there. No matter how rough your road may seem and your struggle is never done, it's never too late for a miracle when you need one. No matter how rough your road may seem and your struggle is never done, it's never too late for a miracle when you need one. No matter how rough your road may seem and your struggle is never done, it's never too late.